Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am on the Eurotunnel because I was too lazy to film a intro before we got here because it was really early in the morning, kind of. So, first things first is I think everybody's going to want to know what is the car that has been chosen, and if you've been following me on Instagram, which you should be over here for most of this trip anyway because the video is going to be coming up quite regular, I've picked the GLE63S AMG Coupe. I think that's how you say it, and it's got some interesting kind of livery designs on it as well, so we'll show you around the car, but I'm probably going to catch up on some sleep for the first like hour of the Eurotunnel before we get to France, and then maybe jump inside the car, show you the interior, and talk about the actual route that we're going to take. But make sure you're subscribed before we do anything else because the content is going to be ridiculous and hopefully really fun. And hopefully I don't crash as well, because it's not my car and I don't have life insurance. So let's look at the car, see everything. Let me know what you guys think about it as well. Have I done the right thing? Do we like the livery? But this is a nice little partnership with one-off and Mercedes. So let's see the car. So, first stop is the Reims kind of old racetrack, which is an abandoned place. For those who haven't seen it, you have seen it in probably other videos before. But it's a pretty cool place. This is just like a stretch of road, and it's an abandoned racetrack. There used to be actually races here, not anymore. But cool stadium over on this side. See, the road is clear, so I can actually stand in the middle of the road. Don't do this, people. But yeah, pretty cool here. And I've never seen this. I've only seen this in pictures and videos before. But what we're going to try and do is one of two things. Get a little bit of the car flying by, so Blue's going to be up there filming it, and then also, of course, we're going to send the drone up, try and get the car going past. But let me get out of the road because there's a car coming. Let's do this. Money. Okay, that's it guys for this video, just the journey over to Geneva. Still got about 2 hours to get there. I thought we'd stop in this kind of nice mountain views and everything like that and sign off the video. But make sure you are subscribed because of course the Geneva Motor Show will be the next video and a full kind of overview of what's there. I know there's a lot of videos out there about that already, but I'm just going to kind of give a different take of it, what it's like to kind of be at the Geneva Motor Show as opposed to just the cars themselves. So, hope you guys enjoy the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Money.